Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to explain you about how I earned my first $1,000 from YouTube channel. Welcome you to the session on YouTube earning. In next 20 minutes, I'm going to explain you how I did it. You can also use the same technique to earn money from YouTube. Before that, I just want to know whether do you want to earn a lot of money by creating content for YouTube channel on your niche, on your expertise? If yes, type yes in the comments. So thank you. Do you want to improve your communication skills day by day? If yes, please comment yes in the comments. Thank you for your response. And third question is that do you want to showcase yourself as an expert in your particular niche and want to build a brand in the internet? If your answer is yes to all these three questions, then one of the best way is to start a YouTube channel. Before I proceed further, I do want to know how many of you know how to create a YouTube channel. Please type yes or no, because if there is no, I will also create a video for you how to start a YouTube channel. And I also wants to know that do you have a YouTube channel? If you have a YouTube channel, please type yes. Do you earn from YouTube channel, directly from YouTube channel through the advertisement or through the courses? I also want to know that do you earn directly from YouTube channel, like by monetization, monetizing the YouTube channel by giving the permissions for showing advertisement in your content or in your videos, and also as creating membership, subscription and courses, and also doing affiliate programs. So all this way you can directly earn from YouTube, from your YouTube channel. And some other people also use YouTube videos and YouTube channel to get the leads for some of their program or product or services. Indirectly they earn from YouTube. YouTube is not directly paying for them, but somebody who watches their videos and they get connected to their product or services, and they purchase offline or from through some other platform. So these are the ways that you can engage with YouTube channel and can create a productive and profitable output for your time and effort. I started my YouTube channel years ago by 2009, like that. That time I used the channel to showcase my products. I was dealing with some particular machineries like CNC routers, CNC related machineries, and also supporting applications like computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing softwares and all those kind of things. So I used to show the product details through videos, and also how it's working videos also I started uploading in my channel. I want to showcase an expert in this particular machineries, so I want to reach more people through my YouTube videos. And somebody are looking for more information, those people who contact me offline, I send this link to them just to see what is the product and more details through the videos I uploaded in my particular channel. So this is the way I started using YouTube channel, but I never thought of monetizing it till the last year, 1 year back. I thought of, okay, I will monetize it. So earlier I used to do something like that. I used to create videos, and some sort of videos I put in a different sorts of videos will be there. I will categorize them and put in a playlist. And later when I started monetizing, first I given permission for monetization on that particular feature. You will see once you create the channel and upload the videos, they will be asking, okay, whether you want to go for monetization or not, like that. And there is some certain criteria also, that how many views should be there, how many watch hours should be there, how many subscribers should be there, like that you can see once you get into the channel. And once you reach that particular point, you can start monetizing your videos, where YouTube will start showing advertisement in between your videos, and while that is displayed, and you will get an income for showing the advertisement. That is the first direct income that I got. Then later I realized that I can also create my videos as courses, as a playlist. What I have put, I can convert them as a courses, and also set up different subscription levels so that people have access to different kinds of videos in different levels. Like that, in basic level, I will give basic videos. Then next is higher level, I will give some more worth videos, and the higher level, I will give access to all those videos, and additionally, very few videos which is specifically for the high-end subscribers. So that way, people started subscribing my channel. There will be a join button. Subscription is already they are doing. They can see a join button also below my YouTube videos. While they join, they will ask which level you want to join, and they can join in any of the levels, and they can access the videos I have given permission into that particular level. So like that, I started getting subscription amount also. So first I did for the advertisement part, then I given permission for the subscription part. Then there is also affiliate part. So you can also display some of the products or services below your video. The links can be shown, and people who click it and buy that particular services, you will also get commission like that. So I just now started that, not yet started monetizing on that part, but with these two things, like advertising part as well as subscription part, I could able to monetize 1000 USD, approximately 1 lakh rupees in a year. Then only I realized that how much potential is there for me if I am focusing on this particular area. So I found out what is the things that worked for me, and also what is the advantage of the YouTube channel compared to the other social media platform. And also I am going to give you some of the action points so that you can also apply those points and grow your YouTube channel to get monetized. So I like to share my mind map just to explain those points. The first thing I want to explain to you is what is the advantage of this YouTube channel compared to the other channels. You can see YouTube channel is the most reliable and robust platform for your digital asset. Whatever the content you create, it will be stored there, and it is accessible to the people very easily. So number one point is that it's a reliable and a robust platform for your digital asset. And the next point, it is more constructive and sustainable. Constructive in the sense, whatever you add, that always adding upon that, whatever you do, it will be added upon, and it will be creating more value. And it's also sustainable, it will be there for long, and depend upon the kind of content you make, it will be sustainable. Every time there will be subscriber for you, there will be people, visitors to your website, and subscribers for you. And if you have that kind of a value content, then people also will join and your channel, and from there also you can get money. And you can see that there is multiple options in YouTube to earn. I already explained you, I have done first given permission for showcasing the ad. So whatever the watch pages or short feed, from there the advertisement will be displayed, and I will be getting the amount for that. At the same time, I can also, when I created courses, when I converted my playlist of videos into courses on a particular category or particular topic, people were ready to join that courses. Okay, so I got that joining courses, they will have to pay for 1 month subscription, and they will be that subscription will go on till the time they cancel it, or if they joining in a lower level of subscription, they can go to the second level and third level, like that, when they start learning. If you have created the courses like that, of one level completion, next level they can go, third level they can go, like that also. Or you can give a totally separate sets of videos. If they have learned one particular techniques, they can also learn other techniques if they want. For that, they have to subscribe for in a different level, or like that. So once you go into that, you will definitely understand those things and how to do that also. And this is one of the method where you can monetize. And other one is supers and gifts. I have not yet used. That is that you can ask your subscribers and visitors to just to contribute to you for creating these kind of content. So whatever the amount they would like to give as a gift, we can get it. That is the other way of getting amount. And you can also can have affiliate to different products and services that already there in the YouTube or in different channels. So they can YouTube is giving that facility, so that any product related to your video or what you can sell in your channel, you can become an affiliate, and those people who is buying, clicking that link and buying, then you will also get some amount or some commission from that amount. So that is the way. That's why the YouTube have multiple options to monetize. And you know that YouTube no you have putting the content in such a structured way, and it is easily accessible to your students or the subscribers, and it is very systematic and as well as a structured content, so they can go at any time and learn from that. So this is that's why I told YouTube is to have that kind of advantage compared to any other social media channel. Some channels, if you put some content, it will vanish. And also accessing that content later, it will be very difficult for you. Also, you have to scroll or like that in your channel and all like that. But here there is a structured way. YouTube has a structured way to put the content. So that's why I told YouTube is a advantageous thing. And if you want to earn from YouTube, you have to start a YouTube channel. Definitely you have to start. And what is the tactics worked for me? That's I just want to explain that. So much more important thing. The thing is that if you have in your mind to start a YouTube channel, you have to think and focus on an area in which you want to take action and to teach the student. And also you have to look for more micro nature of things to get done, because when you starting with a broader niche, then you can find out that in that particular niche, this area many people are coming and learning from me. Then you can find a more micro niche, and that will be the success factor for you. Once you crack that particular point, the sweet spot, then more people will start engaging with your channel. That's why I told you have to focus. Then second one, you would have seen a lot of YouTube channels, lot of flashy contents will be there. So you have to focus on fleshy contents, like where there is some meat, is there some some value is there, something that action oriented is there, something that worth to use in their life, your subscribers life or your visitors life. So that kind of content you have to focus. And the third one is informations versus inaction. In your video, focus more on inaction contents where people can take action and bring some result. Okay, so that instead of just giving out some information. So generally I tell that just informations you give in some shorts and all, people may get attracted and then guide them to your content, long content, where you have some points to take action, so that there will be a change in their life. They will move from one stage to the another stage. So thus you can create more value to your videos. And the fourth point is that create series of videos on the chosen topic. If you are taking a particular topic, in that different subjects will be there. So if you better you put in a particular topic, you make a series of videos, so that will give you more traction. Okay, so that I found that if you are doing a series of videos, keep the customers, viewers or subscribers more engaged. Then in every video you promise results on action. If you are ready to take action, they have to get this kind of result, this kind of change they can bring in their life, this kind of output they can get from their life. So this is the 5 golden nuggets that I can give you at this moment. And if you apply this in your YouTube channel videos, you are going to get definitely 100% result. Just note down these points, and every video what you publish, you take care these points you are aligned and you are publishing accordingly. Okay, so these the tactics just I want to reveal here, and you have to take action on this. So the action point is that once you have the YouTube channel and once you decided which niche you have to work, and when you want to start publishing the videos, and at least keep a consistent flow of videos, a loading of videos like 1, 2 or 3, depend upon your time and expertise, or as per your okay, you may go for one or two or three. So okay, so you have that kind of result. So if you can give more than one video, well and good. And but you make it very consistent and keep uploading as many videos you can, one or two or three every week. That is very important. And information you use for in shorts, that small shorts, when you go and upload videos in YouTube channel, it will ask for shorts or like that, videos like that. So shorts, if you are short time content, like with 1 minute like that, so you just give out the information and guide them to the action videos. Okay, some surprising factor in the action video you give in the short. So the plus point is that shorts, you will have more views, and you will get organically more views. So once they see this, they can be guided to the action videos, and those videos, few value videos you can give free in your channel, and few videos you can reserve for your premium customers who are want to join your channel and want to access the courses in different level. And the thing is that you have to narrow down the topic. Looking at the views and watch hours, number of views and watch hours, you have to narrow down your content as much as possible. Maybe very, very, very narrow niche will make you more rich. So find out that niche by doing videos, more videos. Okay, then other one is that every month you have to value videos in your courses and retain subscribers. If you have different level of courses, definitely you have to upload value videos every month, not one, two or three. It depends upon you. So you can retain more customers by giving value added videos inside your course, inside your membership. Okay, who are going for membership. So thank you for watching. Hope that this video will help you to build very good YouTube channel, which is going to monetize, and it going to give a consistent earning for you every day, every month, and every year. So if you want some more information regarding this, please put in your comments below the videos, and definitely I will make another video for you that can help you to progress further. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Be with this channel. I will make sure that you will get a lot of value content that will change and improve your life. Thank you for being here.